Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I'm here to help Stephanie from New York. She was looking for a black and white Wedgewood container, and who popped up but me with my cheats, blue and white Wedgewood that I did not so long ago. Have a look at the video. They're really, really easy to create. And the great thing is, you don't have to be careful with them because sometimes I'm a bit clumsy and things break or the kittens break things. And you can create a vase to whatever size and shape you desire. It's so easy. So anyway, Stephanie wanted something that was black and white. It's for her mother. And she said, I've looked at what you wear, Astar, and you wear a lot of black and white. Well, actually today it's navy and white, but I do like black and white because it's easy. I just like it. And I live in a black and white house too because I work with colour and I like the colour outside. And if I want colour inside, I can bring a little bowl of flowers. That's perfect is what I say. But anyway, here is the container that I created for Stephanie, or similar, just to show her what the black and white look like. And the great thing historically about the Wedgewood is they did lots and lots of colours. There were browns and whites, there were greens and whites, blues and whites. So the black and the white, I thought, sounded really lovely. So I did it knowing that I might like this at my place. So thank you, Stephanie. It was my honour to create this design for you. Now, Stephanie's mum loves gypsophila. I love gypsophila too, but it's the spring here at my place or in New Zealand, and the gypsophila's only just starting to come in. And what I did see at the market was $50 for a wee bunch, and I thought, oh no, I don't think so. If I'm going to do this, I might just use artificial because I might like it so much I want it to stay there. And then when the gypsophila comes into the market or into my garden, which it will because I've got it growing in big pots, I'll be able to put the fresh into it. Now I just need to go left or right a wee bit. Gypsophila will dry off, so you can get it, put it in a little bit of water, put a little bit of glycerine into it, and that will preserve it. But what you'll find happens is it goes sort of I want to say a biscuity colour or a very sort of dried off colour. You know what I'm talking about, like wheat. It's nice, but when you're using something that is crisp black and white, it's nice to stick with the black and white. So, Stephanie, your mum wanted just gypsophila, so there's two options. You can use fresh or you can use artificial. Watch this for easy designing. Ta-da! I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it a lot. Now, you also asked what to put with it. Well, I love lamb's ear, and watch this. Watch this. For just easy, just putting little sprigs of this into here, just little bits, just around the side, and you could do this with fresh or artificial. Just a lovely little collar. And if you were really, really, really thinking you could just have a wee fiddle, what I really should be doing with this is just holding it and putting it all around. But the lamb's ear I've got is also artificial because mine is only just coming into the garden and little things are biting and eating it. So how is that for, hold on, just do a wee fiddle around here. What to put with gypsophila? Lamb's ear. Beautiful. I hope you like this. You could put some salal into there. You could also put some ivy. You could do whatever you wanted, but I quite like it with the grey because it's a beautiful connective colour between your white and your black. I hope you like this. I really loved it, and I'm pleased you came to me with this idea because this is going to look perfect on my landing. Okay, that's it from me. I'll see you again another day. Keep those requests rolling in because I love to help. See you again another day.